Good evening to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance. So here is an announcement I am going to do. Those who are the member of our Telegram channel, Smart Finance Telegram channel. So they will be getting this information, and those who are associated with uh, our this WhatsApp channel, they will also will be getting this information. So this is about one very good webinar we are going to conduct. So this webinar is going to happen on 28th and 29th July. 29th July it will be in Hindi. 28th July it will be in English. It is a free webinar. So what is the content of this webinar? What you are going to learn? It is a live webinar. You are going to learn the Gann's 7.5-degree trading technique. So this is one of the very unique technique and mostly very easy technique. So this is one concept you are going to learn. You are going to learn Gann cycle and how to use Gann cycle for trading. And you are going to use or learn the Gann's base number trading technique. Every number having a base number, like you have a base that I am from so and so cities. I studied this one. This is my primary course. This is my secondary course. Then I have gone to these universities. So that is your base. Based on that, you are going to get the salary. If you are an IITian, your salary will be great. If you are from a local engineering college, same degree, your salary will be less. But this is how the base number works. And this is how you can use these techniques specifically for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all cryptocurrency for investment and for trading. So that also I will be discussing in this program. Very unique technique, very easy technique, and mostly these techniques of the WD Gann nobody speaks about. Those who know also, they do not say or they do not teach this technique. So here these techniques are very useful and very informative. You can join this program. If you understand Hindi, you can join the Hindi program. If you understand English, you can join the English program. Here it's a live program. Those who are joining the live program, they will get the recordings. Those who are not joining or simply registering but not attending the program, they won't get the recording. To register, in the description box itself, I have given the link. So you have to go here. You have to click on the link. Once the link opens here, so you have to give your informations. So here you have to first row you have to select. If you want to join both, you can first select and register yourself. Then second time you select and register yourself. So this is English and Hindi. There is no restriction that if you join English, you cannot join Hindi. So you can join both events also. If you understand Hindi, you can join Hindi. If you understand English, you can join English. If you understand both, you can join both the programs. It's a free program. So do register and learn these three unique techniques of WD Gann. It's free, and invite your friends to join this program. So many people will be talking about the Gann. They will not be saying about the formulas. They will not say about the calculations, nothing. But here, I'll tell you everything. I'll tell you how this calculation happens, whether it really works or not. All things you will come to. So do not miss this program and register yourself and join this program. And registration process also I have explained you. So click in the link given in the description, choose the proper date and fill your information, register. You will get the joining link and other things automatically. And on the 7 to 8 p.m. evening, Monday and Tuesday, you can join the program. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And I'm expecting you to see in this particular event on 28th or 29th.